up fans, Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today, finally, honestly guys, since the EP dropped, we've been trying not to listen to their whole album just in case.
No, but it died down, so what made it easier for us to not hear it and stuff. We have heard a little bit,
like
snippets, but we quickly
international, and that's all I've heard from this song, because everyone puts on their story and that's the first thing you hear, and then I try and swipe off. So I've been dying for this moment, been waiting for these guys to drop a dang clip, man. So this is gonna be our first time hearing and watching, so call us loyal for waiting, you know what I mean? Y'all been pushing us to react to it, but we knew this clip was gonna drop anytime soon. So we're gonna be reacting to HP Boyz 6 to the world. I've been waiting for this moment. I've been dying to. Yeah, I was just about to listen to it last week, but I was like, no. But yeah, fams, if you're new to my channel, this is the first ever video you're watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there, or click subscribe at the bottom. And please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified when we upload videos for you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this moment for so long.
PolyMovement fans, please check out HP Boyz official on YouTube and subscribe and share the love on your social media, please. And also wearing Hood Clothing Company. They're from Melbourne. They're down south near where these guys are from. They got good, nice merch, good nice quality. Material, I love it. I love stretchable tees. But check them out.
They got other designs too.
Different layouts, really nice, good quality. So I've washed mine a few times.
I don't think I've washed mine yet.
No, you haven't.
I have. Oh yeah. Daddy.
Yeah, but check them out, please, and support, share the love on your social media, please, fans. And thank you to those who have requested from way back. Yeah. We got you.
Yeah, thank you for being loyal and waiting as well. Let's go! Let's just go! Oh my gosh! This was premiered like a This was premiered half an hour ago. Like half an hour. What?
The sample I heard.
Hey! This must have been when they went for their tour. Hey!
That's New Zealand. No, it's not. Yeah,
Brotherhood.
Fresh off the international. First to all of the shit was natural.
Sounds so much better.
Sold out 7 shows overseas. Came back and spent 15 G's in a week. Now I'm halfway through the EP, and I gotta thank God, TG. Used to dream about being on TV. Now I can't watch without seeing my G's on the screen. Stepped in, pause on my boss shit. You don't do dirt, you do chocolate. Post 2, I never worry what the cost is. I'm just trying to get Crocs till the cost is bow. Tell me what now? God, he got the dookie like the queen from the south. You tell me I'm foul, but I can never be like them. I got my G's to the end.
Still in another trap, we don't talk to the feds, but the phone's still tapped. Coppers try to charge, but I don't clean rap. Took a couple gas, but we still got wipes.
Sorry guys, I'm so shook that I'm actually listening to it right now. I forgot to listen
Finally,
to it. I know!
It sounds
man,
good.
When that beat kicked in.
That sample, oh, it's nice.
Bruh.
And I like this from them.
Yeah.
It's not dark and heavy like... Because I heard someone was saying that they... For this album, it just seems more dark. Yeah. But this is not.
Yeah, this one's alright. Like, I think they're... Man, I'm just so happy we're listening to it right now. Okay.
Tell me what now? God, he got the dookie like the queen from the south. You tell me I'm foul, but I can never be like them. I got my G's to the end.
Still in another trap, we don't talk to the feds, but the phone's still tapped. Coppers try to charge, but I don't clean rap. Took a couple gas, but we still got wipes. Coppers doing dirty, he's soon home early while I'm copping Burberry. My everyday's I earn it, watch his hands burn. Got me.
That's an Aussie thing.
Ew!
A drink from the shoe.
Oh, I heard him saying
it's called a shoey.
Yeah, I heard him talking about something about fitting, and he go, but the phones are not tapped or something like that. I felt
phones are still tapped.
The phones are still tapped. Yeah, something like that, and I was like, oh, not bad.
While I'm copping burger, my everyday's are earning. Watch his hands burning. Got me like Freddo, I can see the tables turning. Always stay under, cause you know I stay worthy. Showing no mercy, gang stay murky. Never dying out, but the vision never blurry. Pull up to the scene, I pull out like Shirley.
Take me back to the birthdays. Keep it humble through all of this struggle. And I feel blessed. See my mama stress less. See my bros eat best with the best dress. But it took long nights to get to long nights. It was empty pockets now bite when I want it. It got me like running rich, I'm always ballin'. My older G still trapping from the morning. Can't forget real ones when you make home runs. Yeah, it's still the same. My bros before the fame.
It's nice, eh?
Man, this feels
No matter where you get to, remember those who helped you from the beginning. That's nice.
Man, I just love seeing this, eh? Just, they must have had a good time back in New Zealand, eh? This is like...
Of course you would.
Man, I can imagine the crowd over there. Yeah,
They would have. I wonder if they expected that crowd to be...
Oh man, in New Zealand they go hard, man.
No, they
like,
support Polly's
yeah,
hard.
100%, man.
Yeah. Not they.
Yeah.
We.
Yeah.
We all do.
Yeah. Frick, man.
Can't forget real ones when you make home runs. Yeah, it's still the same. My bros before the fame. The switch up just cause the cash came. Better days getting paid to entertain. I roll another doobie and a path for pass. Yeah, the dream became at last. Have to thank my G's, my bros for HP. And all the haters in between. I'm just way too busy chasing that milli. Watch the 6 elevate like Drizzy. Blood blazing, if you're still hating, we're still baking, taking those payments.
Definitely the city. I was just thinking, was that the Harbour Bridge that they were filming and was behind?
No. Short seems short.
Man, that was too short. You know, I love that they used that sample, man. Ah! Man, it was worth the wait. Ah! Okay, you go, Mum, you go first. I'm about to cry.
I love that sample. I love this with them.
Man, this track right
They're
there,
at that
man.
level where they can change it.
And still have that same crowd.
Yeah.
You know?
This is nice.
Damn, I freaking like, oh man, it was worth the wait, man. Like, honestly, especially when that beat came in and they're like, fresh off the international, and that was the only thing that we've ever heard from the song.
Yeah.
And oh man, worth the damn wait. I give it a 10, a 10. Yeah. What do you give, Mom?
They need a shout, only us two.
I'm so glad that it wasn't build-ups, man. Like, oh.
Yeah.
And then it's at home, it's back in New Zealand. You know, New Zealand has our hearts, man. Like, man.
Very nice. I like the when it showed the documentary where they went to Otara.
Oh,
nice.
I missed it.
Oh.
I was too excited that...
No, not their documentary.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
Oh, man.
Well done, boys. You guys are doing really well.
Yeah.
Keep on that grind.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Like, as much as we want to listen to the rest of the tracks, like, we never know, you guys might drop a clip for that one, so we're just gonna wait.
We might react today and then tomorrow you drop all visuals.
And then we'll be punching ourselves.
It's just their vulnerable side, but very...
And just shows how thankful they are as well for where they're at and...
homely.
Yeah. And you guys honestly deserve it, man. All that hard work is definitely coming into play now. I'm still happy that I was in New Zealand.
It just seemed to fit. They weren't too bavali or anything. They were just nice.
And then you can hear in the background, oh, I wanna shake it down. Whew, man.
9. I give it a 9, yeah.
Damn, but as well as, you know, these guys are, you know, the face of HP Boyz and stuff like that. Honestly, big ups to the people behind the screen. Like, you know, these guys are the ones to really push it out there for these boys and stuff like that, you know, with its mixing and mastering their music, filming, just with their tour as well, being able to make it to New Zealand. Planning it. Like, I know it's not easy, and definitely, you know, big ups to you guys behind the scenes.
Because she's been on a tour, that's why.
Yeah, that's why I know. Yeah. Like, I was already a fan of you guys, and then just listening to us, watching the clip, I'm just like, boom, 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 you know? Man. You guys know the go. Please support the bros. Please subscribe to their channel, HP Boyz Official, on YouTube, and follow them on their socials as well to keep updated on other music they're dropping and all that jazz. And don't forget, fams, PolyMovement, Poly Businesses. Please don't forget to follow Hood Clothing Company.
Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram and Facebook. And get you guys some merch as well.
Support our Poly Businesses too.
They don't have just these. You can check their website or their page out and you can see the other designs. Yeah, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.